Hello, my people. Welcome to True Jamaican Experience. Yes, today um, we have an episode of Crashes Gone Wild, and we will be looking at the mistakes of these drivers and what they could have done better to avoid these accidents. Remember to put in their comments what you think they should have done to correct these mistakes and how we can avoid all of these mistakes. Yes, and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's get into the video.
Вы что, охуевший, что ли, ёпта мать? Сейчас будете, долбоёб, блядь!
Yes, my people, thank you for watching, True Jamaican Experience. Remember to continue to like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Comment in the comment section, what have we seen so far. We have gone halfway in this video, and I know that we have identified many mistakes of these drivers. Continue to watch and we can learn from these mistakes that we can be better drivers on the road and be more courteous to each other. Alright, let's continue. Yes, my viewers, remember to continue to like the video so that YouTube may, recommend it. And remember to hit that notification bell and put it to all that you may get all the new uploads from True Jamaican Experience, all those dash cam crashes and a lot of more entertaining content that you will find on the site. Yeah, man. We just continue to observe these drivers and the mistakes that they continue to make.
Ох ты ж, ёб твою мать, нахуй. Ты дура, блядь, со зрением.
Падла, голову разбила.